Okay, Zeus, thank you. Help take Luna for a walk, okay? All right, you help, but you'll be gentle. Okay. Where are you taking us? Careful that you don't wrap that thing around your neck. Okay. Alrighty. Where are we going? Okay. You got. We're going. Yeah. Here she is. Here, I'm holding her. Okay. All right. You two, calm down with the leash. Okay. You helping me? Okay. Okay. All right, we're going. We're going. I know you want to play with her. You're a little next sometimes. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. You want to let go now? Okay, I'll take her now. Do you want to let go because I'll take her now? Zeus?
Just scared the shit out of her.
Woof! Oh. Woof! Hey. Fumo.
How much money would you say you spend on your dog a month?
It depends on the month. When there's a big vet trip or something like that, definitely upwards of, could be $1,000.
On like food and clothes, I would say like 300.
Okay.
Ooh, a month? Probably like $300 a month. But honestly though, like every time we walk into a shop, he like grabs a toy with his mouth and I can't not buy it for him.
I honestly don't know off the top of my head. I want to say like just shy of 100, maybe. I really couldn't tell you though.
Probably like $100 to $300. Depends on food and what he needs, and I get him sweaters and stuff.
100.
Probably close to like $300, $400 a month, I want to say.
Bring him to the position. Mark position. Mark eye contact. Good. Forward motion. Good. Keep your palm up. There you go. Keep going. Faster. Good. Stop. Get eye contact. Spot yourself in the mirror. Double click. Boom. Back up. All right. Let's do it again. Call him. Good. Reward position. Good. Get eye contact. Reward. Good. Forward motion. Remember to keep your hand up, the wrist up there. Keep that hand up. There you go. Keep going. Pick your pace up. Good. Stop. Get eye contact. Double click. Good.